Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. It is another crazy wet day. Looks like it's going to be like this for a week. Looking at the radar, and not much is going to be happening outside with any equipment. It is saturated as usual. Just don't know what we're going to do about the garden, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We're going to head into the workshop and we're going to change the oil in the Ford tractor. To be honest, it's the first time doing it since buying it. I think I've only put like, I don't know, 10 hours, 15 hours on the tractor since I bought it. But alright, so changing the oil in the Ford. It's the 1710. Should be easy to do, but I don't know how much to add. So when I bought the tractor, well, let me show you what sealed the deal on it. The guy actually had the original manual for it. I know everything's online, but I still like having paper in front of me when I'm reading stuff. Just, I don't know, kind of silly like that. But I don't know how much oil to add to it. I've never changed the oil in it before, but it is 5.3 quarts. So I have the filter, I have the oil. Let's get to it. Right now on the side of my oil filters, or the front, I always write how many hours are on the piece of equipment, and I write the month and year. So, you know, now it's 4/19 and then 16/02. So I'm just gonna let this set for a second, and when we change it, you know, it's really easy then to visualize. It's like, okay, hours are coming up, you know, these are old. Everything I own is pretty old, so there's no like dummy lights that are like, hey, maintain this, do that. You know, it's all, you know, your own initiative to maintain your equipment. So we got that. So that'll be nice and dry. It's a good visual. We'll let that set for a second, but we'll put our drain plug back in and take off our oil filter. Now I am sure glad. Oh my god. Ooh. Wow, someone clamped it on, awesome. Right, I had to put the channel locks on it to break it free. Ooh. Yeah, that's been on there a while. So that's actually really clean. I don't know, it's just weird for me. Last couple of oil changes, everything I did, everything was like this, so it was just full of oil. But this one is actually able to drain. Right. So now, got a little bit of oil down my ring of my filter. And let's put it back, the new one on. Okay. My numbers are upside down, but oh well. Get our drain plug back in. Okay. nice and tight. All right, the scariest part of every oil change. Well, that's not a good sign for operating the tractor. It should be 5 quarts I'm dumping out, or a little over, and it's just over 4. So yeah, I have to pay closer attention to that and see what's happening. All right, let's check our oil and then we'll fire it up. Oh yeah, right on the money. All right, let's give it a quick fire up and make sure everything's on the up and up. Let's open up the garage door first. Gotta love these glow plugs. It actually stopped raining for a little bit, so I'm gonna let it warm up outside. Alright, so that wasn't bad at all. Okay, I'm just gonna let it warm up, check the oil in a little bit, and we should be done. We should be ready for at least a month or 2 service, and then we'll do it all over again. Now I let the tractor idle outside till it came up to temp, and then I held my foot on the throttle, I don't know, just to bring it up to the 2500 RPMs as if I was running the PTO. And everything seems good. So we're back here in the workshop, tractor's off, but let's check where our oil level's at. That's right where we want it. So good, that's a lot thinner, or cleaner I should say. It was pretty rotten. Alright, that's one more piece of maintenance done around here in Sparkle Farm. I've just been this crummy weather, just kind of going through piece by piece of stuff. I'm gonna get the zero turnout probably tomorrow or the next day and get that, even though it's gonna be a week till I could try and cut the grass around here. But just kind of taking care of all the leaks on the Ford, and then we're gonna try and do a once over on the backhoe, and yeah, just kind of do all the maintenance that you don't want to do when it's nice and warm and sunny out, and there's the main projects you want to get done. All right, thanks everybody for tuning in. Thanks for all the new people that have been watching my videos, and see you next time when we're doing some more maintenance or we're planting something.